What is up, guys? To another site. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Zapier to your Base44's account. So first, you need to head over to your Base44 and then log in with the Base44's account credentials. And when you're redirected to the homepage of Base44 in the new tab, you need to open Zapier and then you need to log in with your Zapier account. And when you are in your Zapier's homepage after logging in, at the top you will see the search bar. Simply click on it once and then search for Base44. After typing Base44 here, you will see the Base44 application. Simply click on it once, and after that, this will show you to connect your Base44 to 8,000 plus applications. You can just simply connect it from here, but I'll just simply click on connect my Base44 to 8,000 plus applications. And here you will see when you will go to the account section, you will see the option of sign in. When you will click on sign in here, you will be asked to enter the API key. Now to get the API key, you need to head over to Base44 and then on the right side at the top, you need to click on your profile and then click on settings. After clicking on settings on the left side, you need to click on accounts, scroll down till the end and here you will find the API key. Copy your API key from here, head back to Zapier again and then here you will see the option to connect your API key. Just simply paste this API key and then click on yes, continue to Base44, and then this will start connecting your Zapier's account to your Base44's account. So as you can see, I have registered my Base44's account here in Zapier, and when I click on continue here, the setup has been successfully created. And in the configuration, I need to choose a particular value for the app. I currently don't have it, but I can just simply create it. And I have to choose the event type. After choosing the event type, I need to choose the application. You can just choose it on your own. And after that, your connection has been confirmed. So this is how you can connect your Base44 to Zapier. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.